It's a 2015 Volkswagen Passat. Wanted, serious drivers with families. You supply the family, the Passat supplies the fun. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, remote engine start, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its high-quality cabin, refined and quiet ride, and top safety scores. Volkswagen, performance you'd expect with the precision of German engineering. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.